how to solve this mission. The map shows you the riddles in your area. Go to the riddles to be able to solve them. For every solved riddle, you get a secret spider tech document and experience points. But remember, the least amount of attempts and turns you take, the higher reward experience points. To get a hint from Agent Laura Hunt, tap on the question mark. Having other agents help you has a cost, however. You will only get half the experience points that you would normally get for that particular task. If you are really stuck, Agent Hunt will solve the task for you. You will neither get a document nor experience points for that task, but that way you may be able to save valuable time to reach your main goal. In the instance that a particular location is not accessible, you may be able to skip it. To do so, you will be prompted on the iPad screen if you wish to skip the riddle. By doing this, you will be able to continue your mission, but will not get any experience points nor spider documents. If you are solving the mission with or against other agents, you can see the scores in the high scores section. To win, you must solve all the tasks, insert the antivirus into the main water system, and stop the countdown before time runs out. Good luck. Over and out.